Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through New Kingston and we're going to take a look at the New Kingston Drive-In. Now in a previous video we had toured the facility and we were talking about prime real estate in New Kingston, and the cinema is sitting on a very large piece of land. Now at the time we made the video we did not realize that the cinema was back in operation. So we're going to go back over there and take a tour and to let everybody know that the New Kingston cinema is still open. At the time of the video I did not know they were operating again, but a subscriber explained to us that when COVID hit and the other cinemas were closed, the New Kingston Drive-In opened back up and they were showing movies. So thanks to that subscriber for giving us that information. So here we are going into the New Kingston Drive-In. Back in the day it was two cinemas, Cinema 1, Cinema 2, and the other cinema I'm sure is not operating because the land is rented out to a Knutsford Express, etc. But there you can see the screen, and this is how it would work. You would drive in, park here, then you would hear the audio via a certain channel on your radio. So it's up and running, guys, thanks to the subscriber, because we were saying look at how large this land is. It's a lot of land. So we were saying, why is it just sitting down here? Somebody should buy it. And okay, here you see it, and straight ahead is a concession stand where you. So thanks to the subscriber for explaining it to us that the cinema is still up and running, and you can see all the buildings around it. So as we were saying, prime real estate. Alright, so we're gonna head back into New Kingston now. Well, we are in New Kingston. We're just going to drive out to the cinema. Now, here is where you would enter the second cinema, but that road, it has been blocked off with chains. So, but on the other side of that entrance where we went in, you would access the second cinema. Okay, so straight ahead, that tall building is the towers. I don't know, maybe I missed it, but I didn't hear any ad or anything about the cinema being opened again, so I'm not sure, but they are open. On the right is the J. Ray and Nephew building. Now where you see that blue zinc, that used to be the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building, but they have now moved to downtown Kingston, so I'm not sure what's going on with that building. The building beside it is the Guardian Life building. And then on the left is the New Kingston Business Center. On the right is some Chinese building. I'm not sure what that building is, but it has the name is at the top was in Chinese and then below it was some English. Okay, on the right is the Sagicor Bank. Okay, we are on Dominica Drive, and that's where you enter the cinema from Dominica Drive in New Kingston. Straight ahead is what used to be the Windham Hotel. It's now going to be a part of the Courtly Hotel, and that's the fourth tallest building in Jamaica. On the left you have a lot of restaurants and insurance companies over there. On the right is the famous KFC, which is the #1 fast food chain in Jamaica. Straight ahead now, that's the Bijou building, it's a jewelry store. And straight ahead now we are going to turn on to Knutsford Boulevard. You have those shops are part of the Courtly or used to be a part of the Windham Hotel, but it's now going to be a part of the Courtly. So Knutsford Boulevard is probably the busiest road in New Kingston. It's the main road. It's where you find all these tall buildings you find on Knutsford Boulevard. Pan-Caribbean building, the white building on the left. You have the Sagicor building on the right. Used to be the Citibank building. And somewhere along here the Ministry, okay, that's the Ministry of Tourism on the left there. And you can see the reserved parking spaces for the Ministry of Tourism. I'm not sure if it's the Ministry, no, it's not the Ministry of Tourism, but the tourism people have a facility, their office over there. Not sure what the correct name is, but it's not Ministry of Tourism. Is it? Yes, it is Ministry of Tourism. I'm so sorry. Yes, it is the Ministry of Tourism. Alright, we're now turning on to Grenada Crescent. And straight ahead, that's the Island Life building. Sorry, not the Island Life building. It used to be the Island Life building. It's the Courtly Corporate Center. And I'm assuming that it's part of the company that owns the Courtly Hotel. Okay, straight ahead on the right, that where you see that orange roof, that's the Spanish Court Hotel. Now we are on St. Lucia Avenue now. And we're going to be turning onto Tobago Avenue. Now on the right is the John R. Wong supermarket, and this is probably the only supermarket in New Kingston. Yeah, that's the only one. So let's go over there now. Won't bother. We're going down to Knutsford Boulevard now, and at this light on the right, that's Trafalgar Road, and then straight ahead now is where you see that car is at the intersection with Trafalgar Road. Okay, so we're now on Knutsford Boulevard, turning left, and you're going to get a nice view of all the buildings in New Kingston. Not all, I mean some of the main buildings in New Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.